JD Sports Culver City just opened a few minutes ago. It is Jordan release day, and they did get a few extra pairs. They usually do raffles and stuff like that, but they got extra pairs, men's grade school. So if you guys want them, be out and about on release day and get yours, man. Like, these sold out quick as hell online. These did sell out quick as hell, so it's not like these were a guarantee for everybody. I did get mine on sneakers, so I'm not picking one up, but they got them, man. They got them. Quick check of this Foot Locker. I know they do reservations. I've never seen these open. Like, what are they gonna put in there? What are they gonna put? And then I think they got extra pairs here too. They got them sitting around right here. That's not bad, not bad. Great time for sneakerheads, man. And they do have a Chic here. This is one of their flagship locations. And I actually came in here earlier, but yeah, they do have a few extra men's here. They don't have a ton, but they do have a few extra. And you can ask one of the employees. So yeah, that's why you got to be out on release day. That's why you got to be out on release day. Definitely got a full video coming, you guys. This is just a sneak preview and breaking news to try to get you guys information. But yeah, stay tuned. Got plenty of videos coming.